Hi everyone, it's Brian here, and I wanted to share something kind of cool that has never happened to me before. And I've been selling things on eBay for over 20 years now. And I sold a very nice woman in California, a embroidery machine. It's called a serger. It's a pretty expensive machine too, and it belonged to a friend of mine. And he decided to sell it. So he gave it to me, and this woman bought it. She paid quite a bit for shipping for it to go so far. And so I ended up refunding her some of the shipping costs because eBay was charging her too much. And so I actually gave her a refund for about $30 because of the overcharging. So we went back and forth a couple times, and she tried out the machine. She was super happy with it. She had a project that she was trying to do for her grandson's wedding. I don't know what the project was, but she was making something for this. And she was so happy that she actually made me something and sent it back. I've never had anybody send me anything before, so um, at least as far as that goes. So here is the package it came in, and she even, when she put my name, she put Brian McDuff, because my business is called McDuff's Cool Stuff, which is actually named after my wife Beth's dog she had when she was a child. But she ended up crossing out the word McDuff and put Kemian at the top there. So she's got she got the name right after a while. So I have not opened it up yet. It's still sealed, and so I wanted to see what was in there. I was going to share it out with you because I thought this was just so cool. I couldn't, you know, I just never had anybody buy anything or make anything for me before, just for selling them something on eBay. So it is kind of taped. I don't want to cut into it, so I'm going to have to kind of be careful here. And we will see what we got going on here. I got people messaging me already. Oh, they look like maybe they're towels or something. Let's see what we got here. Oh, nice. She embroidered a towel with a design. She asked me, she said, what kind of designs do you like? Do you like flowers, or do you like, what do you like? And she gave me a couple of tries and said, oh, go with the geometric design, because I didn't know what she was making. So she has that one. And, oh, there's a little note there, too. I'll read you the note as well. Oh, here's another one. Another hand towel with a design on it. It's kind of like a flowery geometric design. That machine really does work very well. The quality of that stitching is great. If I didn't really have any way of testing it. It was actually broken when I got it, so I had to have it repaired. And the people at the store actually did a small sample of embroidery, and they included it with it just to kind of prove that it was working. And there's another one, the same design. And there's another one here too. Oh, okay, so there's two of each. Two of each of these designs. So we have some nice hand towels here that we can use in our bathroom. And see your note. It says, "Hi, Brian. Oh, the fabric is water." Oh, she's telling about the fabric. It says the fabric is water soluble. I'm trying to. She has her handwriting here. And use some kind of stabilizer. Oh, for the first wash. All gone. Again, your generosity is appreciated. So that was nice. She wrote me a nice little note. So she's telling me not to wash these, and be real careful when you wash them the first time. Probably something real gentle, maybe with the gentle cycle or something like that. So yeah, those are pretty cool. I never had anybody make anything like that for me, and I just wanted to share that out with you. Um, you get a lot of when you do this kind of business, you do get a lot of not a lot, but you get unhappy people. Something went wrong with the purchase or the product. A lot of things I sell are not well, they're either used or they were returned. So sometimes those returns don't actually always go so well. Everything looks like it works, and then it doesn't when they get it, and you have no way of testing it. Sometimes the things are just not possible to test fully. I do my best, but I put that in the descriptions and all that. And So, but I do have a good rating on eBay. I think I'm at 95%. I had one guy unhappy with his purchase, and he didn't even ask for a refund. He just gave me bad review. So I'm not sure I could do about that. I was going to send him his $8 back, but he doesn't want to file for a return. But anyway, that's sometimes great things will happen like that. I really appreciate this, and you know, you never know what's going to happen when and with some of the people you deal with on here, and so yeah, it was a cool experience. Anyway, thanks for watching, everybody, and have a great day.